Hey everyone, and welcome back to the ISC Safety Channel. It's Thursday, the perfect day to untangle those difficult driving situations that can leave you scratching your head at an intersection. Today, it's all about the left turn. Specifically, that moment when you're turning left, and someone coming towards you wants to turn right onto the same road. Imagine two cars approaching an intersection. Both want to turn. The light is green for both. What happens next? Generally, when the light is green, vehicles making a right turn typically have priority. This means, without specific instructions, right turns are usually free to proceed, but keep an eye out, because traffic signs and signals can change the rules of the road at any given intersection. In contrast, vehicles planning to turn left typically have to yield to oncoming traffic. This means if you're turning left, you must wait until it's safe to proceed and the way is clear of traffic. And yes, this yielding also includes those vehicles making a right turn at the same time. Let's visualize this to make it clearer. Imagine you're in the left turning lane. The car turning right has a clear path and proceeds through the turn. Meanwhile, you wait patiently, ensuring the right turning car and any other traffic has passed before you turn. Now, there's an exception. When you have a protected left turn, marked by a green arrow. These green arrow signals give you the right of way to turn left, regardless of other traffic or right turns. To recap, remember the general rules, but always be prepared to adapt to specific signage. When in doubt, always yield. It's better to be safe and wait than to risk an accident. Always stay vigilant, observe your surroundings, and make eye contact with other drivers when possible. And that's the breakdown of the left versus right turn tango. Hopefully that explanation clears things up for you. Got another driving situation you'd like us to break down next Thursday? Let us know in the comments. If this quick tip helped you out, please give us a like and subscribe to ISC Safety for more practical driving safety advice.